guys.
2, 1, go!
Action. Today guys, we are playing Roblox Rivals again. And we are doing hide and seek. Let's go. We are on our way. I'm gonna the dog sticker. Jojo, count. Wait, I'm gonna hide here. Oh, this is.
What we gonna do in the shooting range?
But I'm not going.
What we gonna do in the shooting range, Kathy?
Hide and seek. Forgot.
No, PvP.
PvP hide and seek. Okay. I hide in my spot.
Ready or not, here I come.
Okay.
Bro, I just left the shooting range by accident. Random. Bro, I kept lefting in the shooting range.
Huh?
You can't hide in another place.
Okay. Nah, you need to kill me. When you find PvP. Okay, PvP time.
Grabe kasi yung mga mannequin, hindi ako makabarik.
Okay,
Hindi ako makabarik sa mannequins kasi.
I need to hide again. I need to hide. Count now. Jojo, you need to count. That's cheating,
1, 2,
bro.
3,
Why I keep leaving?
5, 6,
Wait, Jojo, again. Again.
1,
Count in.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Go from
7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
I can't go to this spot.
13, 14, 15, 16,
Done.
17, 18, 20. Ready or not, here I come.
Okay.
Can you give me one hand? Can you give me one hand?
Bro. No hint.
I'm gonna tell you something. Are you in the black or the colors one?
I don't know. When I kill you, you have to run.
Bro!
Okay, run.
I don't have auto!
Let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, go!
Done.
Wait lang!
I'm ready to shoot there. Are you serious?
Sabi kasi yung mga mannequin, dapat nakadelete. Dapat walang mannequin. Oh, 1,
Oh my god.
2,
Oh my god, run. I can't die, bro. I can't. No, I'm the seeker. Okay.
I'm not ready.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Bro, this is
11,
so
12,
exciting.
13, 14, 15, 16. Ready?
I'm ready,
Here
I'm
I
ready.
come.
Gabi. Hindi po.
When I see you, I'm gonna start aiming at you. So I'm gonna hide.
Gabi, kumain ka na?
Not yet.
What? What? How? You see me?
I hear you, but I didn't see you.
Now you see me?
Not
Bro,
yet.
this is the easiest hiding spot in the world.
Bro, I don't have any timer. You know that?
You have unlimited time.
Yeah.
Bro, don't see me. This is the easiest hiding spot in the world.
Guys, comment below if you see him. No, bro, this is too easy for you. Can you give me one hint?
Every round, every hint. I'm in the edge.
Edges. Okay. Thanks for the really. Let's go.
Ay, Nelvin na kanina eh.
Are you sick?
Di ko nga, ang hina niya bumulo, hindi ko nga siya naririnig.
You're not there. Jojo.
Bro. Bro, it's so fun.
Is it? Am I close? Jojo, you. When you kill me, you can hide again. No! I'm not giving you a timer.
Count.
Bro, I'm counting on my mind.
Hanggang 20 lang yun.
Pag 3,
Bro, this is the easiest spot in the world. I need to change avatars, please. I'm gonna change
Jojo, no
avatars.
changing avatar. Just cheating.
Wait, bro, ito.
Jojo, that's changing. Changing avatar is a cheat.
Bro. I restarted myself, bro. I just restarted.
Easy.
Bro, just see me.
Oh my god, I see you. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't see. Why did I use it?
Hindi ako makagaling.
Can I damage you? I'm not waiting any second.
This is a PvP.
Yes!
Just hide and seek.
Bro, die already na.
Bro,
Did you
I have
just mention?
78 health. What about you?
Oh, I have full hell. Jojo, do not hide.
Not hiding. Bro, this is scary. I just saw you. Go.
Oh my god, oh, hold up. It's song. Oh my god, hold up.
Do you see me?
Oh my god, I see you, bro. Don't kill me, bro. Why I hit my auto? Bro, I literally shot. Why? Bro, I hit my auto always on.
Is your auto on?
Yes.
I'm cooked.
You're cooked, bro. What? You said you're cooked, bro.
Oh, paano? Huh?
Okay. I'm gonna kill you, boy. Get your manners, boy.
Sabi that's bad.
Okay. I can. Oh my. No, stop. Jojo, please wait. Jojo, I'm in a healing spot. You can't kill me. I'm healing spot. Healing spot.
Duya mon! Duya!
Healing spot. Already healed. Okay. Where are you? No.
Tapos yung pag naka-healing spot ako, tapos papatayin mo lang ako.
No. I'll kill you. Why? I hate my
Ano ba
auto.
si Kuya Kian?
I hate my auto. No.
Grabe, Rick, wala mo yung mga bato ah. Dito nito.
Awa.
Dito ka nga ni.
Healing. Nasaan mga healing spot?
Yung healing.
Yay! Nakaano na ako healing spot. Ha, bawa.
Healing spot ako, naka-healing spot ako.
Ako din, naka-healing spot. Ang loko. Yun.
O, tapos ako mag-healing spot.
Healing pa ko. Give me more healness. Give me healness. Give me more. Heal me.
Grabe, wala ka na.
Heal me. Okay, go. Dapat. No!
Scary, bro. Ito yung mga healing spot. Grabe, healing spot ako, mag-healing spot.
Healing spot.